In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage sales in Odoo, from quotation to invoice. Let's start at the very beginning. Log into your Odoo account and from the main dashboard, head straight to the Sales app. This is your command center for quotes, orders, deliveries, and invoices. Once you're inside, click the Create button to open a new quotation. Think of a quotation as a draft offer you can send to a customer before it becomes a confirmed order. Choose your customer from the customer field. Odoo will automatically pull in their contact details and default terms if they're already saved, which helps keep things consistent. Now add your products or services. Use the product lines to search for existing items, adjust the quantity, and review unit prices and descriptions. If your products are set up with taxes, you'll see those appear on each line. You can also apply discounts where appropriate. Some companies use line level discounts, others use a global discount. Use the option that matches your workflow and policies. Once the quotation looks good, you have two choices. You can send it by email, which attaches a professional PDF and logs the activity on the document, or you can confirm it right away to convert the quotation into a sales order. Sending the quote is great when you need customer approval. Confirming is ideal when the deal is already agreed. After confirmation, Odoo moves the document to the sales order stage and, if applicable, reserves stock for delivery. From here, track the order through the standard flow: quotation to sales order, then delivery, and finally invoice. The sales dashboard gives you a clear view of where each order stands, and you can open any record to see timelines, messages, and scheduled activities. As your team ships goods or completes services, update the order so it reflects what has been delivered. When the order is complete, generate the invoice directly from the sales order. Review the invoice lines, post it, and send it to the customer. To close the loop, record the payment using the register payment option. Choose the payment method, confirm the amount, and let Odoo reconcile it with the invoice. Partial and multiple payments are supported, and everything remains traceable on the document. Finally, use the sales reporting tools to monitor performance. Filter by date, salesperson, customer, or product, and switch between pivot and graph views to spot trends in revenue and customer activity. With this workflow, you'll move smoothly from quote to cash while keeping your data clean, consistent, and actionable.